You want to sleep? Hello? Babies are what?
Yes, छोटे babies.
Hey, you never know. They was that traveling together, no? Those who complete the sum first, I'll give one piece. All of you standard. Good evening to you all. First eat now. Homework was given now.
5 times now.
Five sums means today how many sums here, Bisha? 5 sums in a day. When did I give? Friday. Today which day? Monday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 5 into 3, how much? 15 sums. All of you take out the homework. You told me what was the not?
So I did 90 questions.
That is yours. Where it is? Huh? Other than we try to think. That is the message now. Tell.
I didn't know.
Huh? 9. What still searching? Here. One girl is not taken the cookie. She's waiting for me to I'll open the bag now. You done anything? No. Your work I will settle. Don't worry. Yes, you are done. Why you are absent in the last lectures? Now you are well. Yes, you. Where is your notebook? That also not taken. Where is that notebook? You know that I will not come to houses to teach the homework now. I'll do 8:30, 100 settle. 4 sums. Whatever is there, where are the sums? Where is that? You. Yours. Not to that I don't need to hear. So none has completed. Is there any absent today? It is. Shivesh is not there now. They don't need to talk about Shivesh now. Once he is not there, he only started. He is there. Then me. Okay. No. None. Only this girl. 9 sums are done. Other one. Where how many sums are done? Now what to do? I'll make one option. I'll send a message to all the parents that they are not done the homework. They will stay till 9:35. 1 hour extra. Better, no? I will send a message from my phone. Come at 9:35. Homeworks are not done. The child never does the work. That also I'll write now. Akansha, I need to meet your parents. I'm going to inform the office. You have any problems to do the work that somebody stops you to do the studies? Yes or no? Now there's no difference between you and this one. Ranveer. For studies part. Every day, not even a single day, you do the work and come. Is there you have some problem with family? Tell them how there is my have some problem with them. No. Where is your mommy is working out at home? Home. Father? Working. What work he does? Business, working, job. What is it? Do you know? Job. I'm going to call your mother. She knows that you were studying or not. Okay, I'm asking the office to call. Why are you looking at this? Seriously, I'm telling you. I thought long time it is going on. Exam, you know when is you exam in the Ryan? Time still not time now. Isn't it? How many chapters you have done? I will start. You do one thing, Sunday night, after evening, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, we start. Half a day is enough now. Night, sleep for another 5 hours, and the remaining time we will finish up the chapter. No? Then it. Snehal, what is the problem? Ah, Mummy is coming now to pick you. Huh? Call and to tell her to bring the food. Seriously, I want to tell you. Huh? You also anyone not brought the book, tell me. It will not work this way. So what you prefer is still stay till 9:40, 1 hour, and complete the work and go home. What do you think? Yes or no? Yes. One said yes. You said yes or no? Yes. Others, I'll send the message. I cannot keep you here. First, I'll send you the parent the message. The child has not done the homework, so they are kept over there. Mania, what do you think? Better now? Decide now. Archit, what to do? Whatever you decide. Isn't it? And Ranil, what about last class you are absent? Reason? You are absent now? No?
Last Friday, yes.
You are not well. So finally, what to do? Hello? Space will be, light will not be there, space will not be there for you anywhere. Huh? You are absent.
Yes.
So?
So I asked her that
So you asked only, Abhijit only. No one else you asked. Evening you came at 6:50, no? I seen before me you are coming entering inside. I seen you now, my dear friend. Yes. Then you could have done something over here. He's running here, there. You feel that I stand over here and shout at you, people are be happy now. I'm asking you to do how many sums today? 5 sums. That also not time. And that too, what I said, exams chapters are coming from there. You do. Okay, if the chapter is there, also these are not there. Why you have to do? That is something. That also no time for you to do this. If I call your parents, they will tell you, even a single child, parent will tell, my child is studying, that's no problem. Your parent will tell. Your parent will tell. Your parent will tell. Whose parent will tell? No, my child is studying seriously. Or this is a waste of time, no? Practicing the sums. You, whatever you practice at home, that you bring to me. No, I don't have any problem. Sir, I was doing compound, or rather, I was doing expand, or I said this time, whichever the chapter. That only I said, or I did not specify this chapter has to be. That means you can do me, this is beyond. So let's do your first day, next day, Wednesday, when you are coming. 15 plus punishment of 10. So how many come? 25. Then Tuesdays, 5. And Wednesdays, 5. So total how many sums? 35 sums I need to see. Is it clear? I am asking to you. Those who can do this one, please sit down. Don't look at the others and sit. And yours is not 35. Both of you stand up. Huh? I know there is nobody will be there to this one. I have to call. Okay. Plus 10 more. So 45 sums. What time is sleep?
12.
12. Till 12, what you do? Huh? Which every day other subjects, when Friday also is the same other subject. Which is the other subject you study all the time? Geography. Oh. I know how many hours of geography does. How many hours you do play with mobile? You don't have mobile. No.
10.
There's no laptop or anything, TV watching, nothing. Phone calling friends, no nothing. Then what do you do at home? I don't know. So these throughout, when did you do maths last? Today is Monday, Sunday. Yesterday, Saturday, Friday. Friday is a doubt slot. Maybe 1 week before, 2 weeks before. 10 sums in a day. Okay, and plus, so you will be bringing 50 sums next day. How many sums? 50 sums, and from that 10 sums in a day. Understood? Remind me. You get from. And you also, hero. How many? 50 sums. 50. Understood? Yes, 50 sums.
5 sums.
Huh? 5 sums in a 1 hour you do 5 sums. 2 hours you do 50 sums. Otherwise you will not come over here. I will call you up. Then give your father's number.
No, sir, I will do.
No, give your father's number. Give the number.
No, sir. I will do.
Seriously, I am going to tell them. Going to save all their parents' number. Immediately from here, I will speak up and I will put under drive it through. Seriously, I am telling you. Everyone's I am telling you. I will take, you have all the full details now. I will take and I will seriously, in front of the people, I will put on speaker and I will speak. Then you will also hear what is the response. Sit down. Study part comes. Why sums to do this much you people are drama in me? Doubts or difficulties anyone have? Study, if you study, then only doubts come down. Exams come, mark is less than difficult.
So I have a doubt.
You had a doubt.
Has
Where?
congruence.
Huh?
Congruence.
Congruency. Which exercise we are doing now? Statistics you are doing now. Complete that. Take out that exercise started now. You tell your doubt first. This one. Read the question. Okay, wait. In the given figure means this is a figure this way. This I think we are done in the class.
Yes, maybe.
Maybe.
Yes.
Maybe. Tell me.
The given figure AB is parallel to FD.
AB is parallel to FD. FD. Okay, F is here now. Okay, then
AC is parallel to GB.
G. Okay.
And BD is equal to CD.
BD is equal to. Okay.
Prove that BG is equal to DF.
BG is equal to
Here.
DF. Okay. Over. That's all. Anything else?
No.
BG is equal to DF. So BG and DF. So with BG you can take a triangle. DF you can take a triangle. In the triangle. Okay. So first and foremost thing is BD and EC are equal. BD and EC are equal now.
Yes.
R DE for both sides. So what will you get here? DE plus BD is how much? BE. BC or BE.
BE is equal to
CE plus DE is equal to how much? DC. So BE equal to DC, you got these two lines are parallel, therefore these two angles are equal. These two lines are parallel, therefore these two angles are equal. So two angles and one side it is including by AC. Work is over. Followed.
Yes.
This was done with work.
Yes. It's another question.
Regularization. Okay. Your problem solved. At least something studied. Yeah. You are doing the statistics now.
Yes.
Take. No, 2, 3 sums is not enough, can we? Exams, I need to see you people get good marks. Why I am making you to do this one? Time pass. Yes. How many questions we are done? Exercise.
8.1 till 30.
18.1 till third we are done now. Fourth also done. That class mark we are done. Made the class mark or not? 1.1 to 2. Check.
This.
Yes, sir, yeah.
Actual lower and upper. We are done now. Yeah. Yes or no?
Yes.
Manya, we are done this all. Till where we are done? Hello? Homework has to be done. Practice. Are you practicing? If I call mummy, mummy will tell she doesn't open the book. Will she tell that? What she will tell? Study. Okay then. Take. Question number. Why you are absent on Friday? Okay, now you are okay. Question number 5, no? Yes or no? Okay, read.
Use the table given below to find the actual class limit of course class.
Actual class limit of the fourth class.
This table.
Which is the fourth class?
45 to 49.
45 to 49 actual class limit you have to find out. For that one, what you have to find out? Adjustment factor you have to find out now.
Yeah.
How do you find out adjustment factor? Huh? How do you find out adjustment factor?
Minus
Upper value minus lower value of the consecutive one. Divide by 2. What is it? 30. Sorry, lower value 35 minus 34 divided by 2. How much? 1 by 2, which is equal to? Yes or no? Or 40 minus 39. Anyone you do? Okay, therefore, what is the true class limit over here? 45 minus 0.5 to 49 plus 0.5. So what did you get? 44.5 to 49.5. This is the true class limit. Lower limit minus adjustment factor, upper limit plus adjustment factor. I hope all of you followed. Okay, then next, second part. What is second part?
the class boundaries of the sixth class.
Hmm?
The class boundaries of the sixth
Class boundary, how do you get? Class boundaries to get what you have to get? No. Find out what is class boundary. Is it the lower limit and upper limit?
Yes.
Yes. Do it. Done.
two class limits are also called class boundaries.
So you have to get the actual class limits now. Okay, find out.
Of the sixth class.
Six class you write and find out. You are the exam, you have to do this one properly, my dear people. What to explain? Their properties are given, just read now. They are all the ones. They are all together in that chapter. That's what we have to do. Okay. Yeah. Done. Sixth class. What is the sixth class? 50 to 54. Again, you have to find out that 50 to 54 now. Sixth class counting 50 to 50. Where is your textbook?
55
Hello, where is your volume? Why don't you take it out? Achieve it on 50 to 54 or what? Or 54 to 59? I don't know. You said.
55 to 55.
Good. Therefore, what is the adjustment factor will come? So 54.5 to 59.5. Are you followed? How did you get? Class boundaries. True class. Adjustment factor should be subtracted from the lower limit and it has to be added to the upper limit. Then next one. Next one.
The class not of the
Third class. So for the third class, what do you have to do? What is the third class?
40 to 44.
40 to 44. So find out the true class. Actual class limit is how much? 40 minus 0.5. So 42 plus, sorry, 44 plus 0.5. That is equal to 39.5 to 40.44.5. How will you find out the class mark? 39.5 plus 44.5 divided by 2. How much? 40 plus 44, 84 divided by 2. How much? 42. Hope you got it.
Yes.
Okay. Next over.
Upper and lower limits of the fifth class.
Upper and lower limit of the fifth class. What is the fifth class?
50 and 54.
Counting all of you doesn't know one is saying 45 to 50, another is 50. So what is the upper limit? 54. Lower limit 50. Okay. Upper limit is 54. Lower limit is equal to 50. Then over.
The size of the third class.
Size of the third class. Which is the third class?
40 to 44.
40 to 44. First thing is you have to convert into true class limits. That is how much? 39.5 to 44.5. This is the true class limit. Right, true class. Therefore, size is equal to, how will you get the size? Upper limit
44.5 minus
40 upper limit minus lower. That is equal to how much? 5. Yes or no? Or 4? Snail, are you following?
Yes.
Yes, but you are not replying anything.
I said no.
When?
I
Just now you told me. Sachi. Sachi did not reply.
Yes.
When? To you.
Like me.
Done. Over. What is the next question? Over. Next is over.
No.
Can we read the next question?
Construct a cumulative frequency distribution table from the frequency table given below.
Cumulative frequency, you know how to make.
Yes.
All of you know.
Yes.
Should I do?
No. No.
You know how to do? You know how to make?
Yes.
It's done. Yes or no? Class interval reach.
0 to 8. 0 to 8 to 16. 16 to 20. 24 to 30. 30 to 40. 40 to 40.
See how I mark written. Have you seen anyone?
8, 16, 24, 40.
Otherwise, sometimes you miss class intervals. You know, lower limit right, upper limit right. That will be better. Okay, otherwise one is missed means you have to cut it and rewrite again. That is why this way. Frequency tell.
9, 13, 12, 17, 6, 8.
Cumulative frequency. 9. Then 9 plus 13. 22. 22 plus 12. 34. Plus 7. 41. Plus 5. 56. Plus 6.
Again,
Huh?
41 plus 6.
Are you followed? How did you get?
Yes.
It's basically, what is the meaning of cumulative frequency of this class? Total activity. Total activity is shortly here. Hope all of you followed. Okay. These are statistics is easy to score, but you have to practice a little bit. 2 weeks without studying maths, it's too bad. Manasvi, are you studying? Your result all over, your what is it? Huh? Unit test is over. Before that, you were preparing for scholarship. That was over.
And very,
Huh?
very good.
1-2 months you will scholarship. You won't be a scholarship. Unit test results are come.
No.
When the result come, tell me. Okay. Hello, hero. Your results are come. I doubt has come. Maths teacher was shown you the paper now.
No. As teacher, we changed 3 times. So I don't know which teacher has checked the paper.
You are troubling the maths teachers, you know. You are troubling the maths teachers. You're troubling me so much. Then imagine. I am extremely strict and still you're troubling me. Hello. What secret is going on?
Maths,
Marks of
maths before writing.
before
Joining.
whose? No. When you join, before joining, you join from the first year, no? Extend. Extend.
No,
No, you got good mark.
yeah.
Now,
Okay.
now its marks are coming down. So what you telling me?
No, before this my marks were 6, but now.
6 is 8. And what is it?
First one, in my class 10, it was 6, but now
Then out of
10.
now you have to reach to 10. And your school exam is, you know, mark is out of 80. You know,
Yes.
out of 80 minimum, I have put the targets. 80%. You know what 80%? 64 plus. And your mark, you know, not this day. Your mark was 95 plus. 76 plus only. Wait then. Get good mark.
Sir, you must be happy with the children's who have been very good in both.
So let's say now you are having ICSE result, you must have got
Yes.
100 out of 100 in
The
maths.
top is 98.8.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's your boy. It's your boy from the. Yeah, it's much. She was from the job. But you need toppers, 98.
So that's seven some.
Yes, sir.
UT is not with your UT result is 99. Maths 100, history 100, science 99.
Nice.
99 out of 100. Understood. Now listen, let's forget now, let's come to this one. Someday we will see your result. Okay, next question did you do? Hello. Question number 8.
97.
Akansha, read the next question. Reason.
Construct a frequency distribution table from the following. The cumulative frequency distribution. Class interval.
Frequency distribution or cumulative frequency distribution?
From the frequency
Okay, class interval.
10 to 19, 20 to 29,
Okay.
30 to 39,
Mhm.
40 to 49.
That's all.
Yeah. And cumulative frequency
Tell
8, 19, 23, 30.
30. You have to get the frequency. Look here how to get. 10 to 19 will remain. There is nothing previous. So this is the thing. This is the sum of these two. So 19 minus 8, which is equal to 11. This is 23 minus 19. That is equal to 4. This is 30 minus 23, which is equal to 7. The total is coming as same 30. Are you followed? Here on. Hope all of you followed. Frequency for the cumulative frequency we add. Frequency means subtract. The meaning is the sum of also subtract. Are you following Akansha? Yes or no?
Yes.
Next, done. More are there?
Yes, but not correct.
Huh? 1 year. Read the next question.
Construct the frequency table from the following frequency.
Next.
See now, what is the Gaussian table?
Below 7.
1 year.
Below 4,
Oh.
below 7, below 785,
0.85.
below 10, 140,
140. Over
below 13, 243,
243.
below 16, 300.
300. Over. Is or below. Okay. First and foremost thing is you have to make below 4 0. There is no below 4 is there. So that means class interval is starting from where?
0 to
Huh?
state the number of students.
That first you have to make the frequency table now. Therefore, class interval will come as 4 to 7. There is nothing 0. Below 4 nothing is there. Below 7 nothing now. Therefore, then 7 to where? 10. 10 to 13. 13 to 16. Are you followed already guys? Below 4 nothing is there, so you don't need to think about from there this one. Now we have to get frequency. Do you know how to get the frequency? This is 85 minus 0. 85. Then 140 minus 85. 85.
Sorry, 55.
Then 243 minus 140. 103. Next 300 minus 243. 57. This is a frequency. Okay. Followed.
Yes.
Try to identify. And these are easy scoring also. But one mistake, everything goes. That's first is this part is completed. Then from there you can get the sub questions. Okay. Read the first sub question.
State the number of students in the age group 10 to 13.
So how? Okay. Number of students between 10 and 13. How many are there? 103. Sachi, what happened? 103. Over. Then
State the age group which has the least number of students.
which age group?
7 to 10.
Sachi's group. Which one? 7 to 10. Isn't it? Least number of students. Actually, which is the smallest?
10.
Then this is smallest, no? That's a 0. Array below 4. That is not class interval. Group class interval. Okay, which one? The smallest one is 7 to 10. Tanvir's grouping contains 85 students. What is your group? Tanvir, your group contains 85 students. What is your group? Thank you. At least you know how to find out the group.
Thank you.
But mark has to come. Practice. Hello, my dear. Remember one thing. There is no shortcut for maths with other than practice. Looking this way, mark also go that way. Okay, when you practice, mark will come to your paper. Is it or not? If you feel that, please teach me a shortcut way, sir. Without practicing, then that it is there to get the mark.
Cheating.
How much you can cheat? Those who can cheat, get a maximum can get your pass mark. Don't think about cheating, okay? Without hard work, things will not work. Okay. Done. More questions are there? Yes. Glory, okay, na?
Yes.
What is there? Oh, graphical. All of you have the graph now?
Yes.
Did I tell the graph to bring?
Yes.
How many of you brought the graph? At least these many people. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And you people?
Seven.
Those who did,
And I did.
she was asking the person, did you ask anyone what is the homework given? No. Did you ask anyone? Oh, so that somebody will call and then Tanya, you will be anyway. Your duty is to find out what is the homework, what is not done, or what needs to be brought. And you, everyone said, but maths is the last ups and downs. Now these two, hello. Now what I'll do? Notebook. Now, next for graphical method. First one is called which one? Histogram. Have you heard about histogram?
Yeah.
Graphical representation of the data. First one is a histogram. Okay. Do you know that is not histogram? Hello. That also is not histogram. Now look here. Can't these people listen? Hello. All of you listen here. You have studied first and foremost thing is these are graphs also drawing. If you know, easily can score. First time consuming. Imagine you wrote instead of histogram, you drawn a bar graph. Correct. Hello. Don't worry, that pen scale will be there. Is your scale ready? Whose scale is that? Sachi, give one day to the scale. Let us see the scale and take it. Or you want to buy, tell mommy to buy one scale. Huh? Okay, now listen now. So we have first is called bar graph. Second one is called histogram. Even bar graph, adjacent bar graphs and all they are this type. Histogram. Then cumulative, frequency polygon is there, frequency curve is there. Cumulative frequency polygon is there. Cumulative frequency curve is there. Okay, these are the one things are there. First is last year, we don't have bar graph this year. Bar graph we already done. You know what is bar graph? Vertical line segments after vertical rectangles made of equal width, separated. Separate vertical rectangles of equal width. That is coming as a bar graph form is there. Okay, like here. Identify. Space also equally cut. This is called what? Bar. Okay. All bars are these of space is there in between. And here you will write what is it. Okay. Okay. Whatever is it there. Okay. Let's say time spent by the students of a class. Okay.
Studying class.
So this is your school. This is self-study. This is sleep. This is sleepy.
Time pass.
So which place you do maximum?
Time pass.
Time pass. Okay. Okay, so these are the okay. So school and self-study. And after that, that's it. Okay, this is called which one? Which graph? Bar. Okay. Histogram means everything joined. Everything joined and it is with the class intervals. Okay, class intervals. Now, first and foremost, most important thing is before drawing the histogram, make the class intervals continuous. What you have to do? Make the class interval continuous. Okay, listen, no, nothing to do with the frequency. Suppose it's given 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59. It is continuous or discrete? Discrete. So how do you make it continuous? All of you know. All of you know. Suppose if it is coming as frequency is 3, 7, 10. Okay, one more. Okay, let's say as 60 to 69. Okay, that is equal to 6. Do you know how to make it into continuous class interval? Snehal, how to make it into continuous class interval? Snehal is there? I'll tell now. How do you make this into continuous class interval? Ask her to tell. Ask her to answer. Speak.
Okay.
Unmute.
Like, there should be some gap.
There should be some gap. Already gap is there now. How to make continuous without gap? Yes, who can tell? You want to tell?
We will subtract 39
First, you have to find the. First, you have to find out the adjustment factor. How do you get adjustment factor? Lower class minus upper class. That is 40 minus 39 divided by 2. Most of the cases will be 0.5. After getting adjustment factor, what is to be done?
We'll add that.
Subtract adjustment factor from the lower class and add to the upper class. Means how much? 29.5. This is called true class limits or actual class limits. Okay. Then 239.5. Snehal, you could have said now this one. Why didn't you tell? I couldn't explain. That is not right. Okay. 49.5 to 59.5. Next is what? 59.5 to 69.4. Are you following, Ranveer Singh? Are you following? Then talking 3 times I have to ask. No. Will the frequency change?
No.
No change in the frequency. Do you know how to make this one? Our graph contains only one quadrant, not cross this way. This graph is for your coordinate geometry equations and all. For statistics means only one quadrant. Okay, only first quadrant. Now here, x-axis, this is 0. This is y-axis. Is it starting from 0? No. And there is some missing is there. So missing is made by, do you know what is to be made? You remember, you know, anyone knows this one? This is called, who said? Tell loudly. King. K-I-N-K. King, you know what is the meaning of king?
Yes.
That values are missing. King can be made in where? Only for the x-axis. And if it is starting from 0, there is no need to make any king. Now, oh madam, listen. Now what do you do? Here we will mark here this is 29.5. Next is 39.5. Equal widths, okay, 49.5, 1 centimeter, 59.5. Over what? 69.5. Okay, this much is clear. Now on the y-axis we need to mark the frequency. What is the frequency? 3, 7, 10, 6. This is the maximum frequency is 10. Now while marking, I can mark this as 10.
No.
Why not?
Because then there's no space for 3
Then
seconds.
way you can make it 3 also. If you want to make for 3 means 1, 2. Okay, and 7.
So you'll have to say na that
and,
this is 3, this is
10.
10.
Why not graph paper contains no? 1, 2, 3, 10 divisions are there no?
But why? How will the percentage is not meet?
So look here, this is not the way to do. What you have to do? Graph should be there, at least 50% of the graph should be used, not this way. So you can make it as 1, 2, 3 also. 1, 2, 3, 4. According to the question, okay, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, or even 2, 4, 6 also you can do it. So now it will come little more decent way, no? Yes or no? First one is 3. Then X is what? 7. Check with the proper scale and all you have to make, not this way rough figure drawing. Okay, next is what? 10. So extend it. Manya, are you listening?
Yes.
Following? You know how to do this one. So this graph is called what? Histogram. Along the x-axis you will write. This is for class. Nothing in there means class interval. Check what is it from here. Class interval. This is called the frequency. Or if it is given the question word, it is given that one. Scale you have to write in x-axis. This is 10 units equal to 1 centimeter, whatever. Here it is Y-axis scale is 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Understood all of you? Followed how to make it as? So inclusive, this class interval is also known as inclusive. Make it into exclusive. Are you followed? Inclusive means both are included to make it into exclusive. Are you followed all of you? Hello? Oh madam, what is going on? No. Okay. After that, there is a this one. Class size, class mark, all these things. Next is cumulative. Chief. Okay. So histogram done. Okay. Next is called frequency polygon. There are two ways are there to draw the frequency polygon. Okay. Wait. Let's check the histogram. Okay. First, all of you can draw one histogram. Then after that, I will explain the frequency polygon. Okay. Page exercise 18.2. Class work. Those are drawing in the notebook. Draw in the graph. Redo in the graph. Understood? Don't forget to take this one. I will actually come. Hey, Ranveer, bhai. Start now. At least one question do before everyone. Possible?
Which chapter?
Any chapter. This chapter, this is difficult, no? So which is easy chapter for geometry. One of you do the first question. Should I read for you all?
No.
Then what you are waiting for? Please talk. You can really be. What is going on? All are talking or not? Done. And where is this girl? Is that Antara? One use.
Yes.
Guest.
Done.
Done. All are done.
Yes.
They have got. Why is so difficult? Children, scale is not there. The one scale, but you think whose scale is there? I don't know. You are lost. What is this? What is the class level starting?
0.
Why is English coming from 0 to 5? So after mentioning 0, only 5 is 0 here. I'm not. I'm doing it. And then there is a starting from 0 means now think. Oh, good. No graph now. So class interval is from 0 to 5 till where?
20.
Only 20.
Yes. That's right.
0, 5, 10, 15. Snehal, do we need to make things?
No.
No. And till 20 only don't write. Okay, let me write 25, 30, 35. Okay. Okay, then frequency, maximum frequency is how much? 6. So you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 0 to 5 is how much? 5. 5 to 10 is how much?
6.
6. 6 to then next one.
3.
3. Next one.
2.
2. Oh, finish now. And here, this is not the graph, is not enough. What is this one? Class interval. Yes or no?
Yes.
And what is this one?
Frequency.
Frequency. Okay. Here something else you have to write. STLE. What is it?
1
On
centimeter.
x-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to how much? 5 units. On y-axis. Is it same thing? No, no. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Isn't it? This is 1 here taken. Whatever you have taken. Understood or not? This much your graph is taken, then only your graph will be completed. Okay or not? No. Not okay. Who said that not okay?
I said
Dania. You said not okay? I heard.
frequency polygon. Yeah, 1%.
No. Please try. Yeah, okay, listen. Tanya is sleeping out. Huh? Hello, next is here. From here, I will first is your from this part, I will make a frequency polygon. What to do? Do you know what is the difference between polygon and a curve? Do you know what is the difference between it is shading and all not required? Inside there is no need to shade and all. What is the difference between polygon and a curve? Anyone? Polygon means joining. Look here. Suppose if these are the
Open figure.
smart.
Polygon and all splits.
Polygon is joining with line segments. Curve is freehand drawing. Understood? Polygon means keep the scale and join. Okay, understood or not? So frequency polygon first is from the histogram. Look here. There is a histogram over here. Mark the top middle points. Join with the help of the scale. You don't need to join in this one. They did not ask. Is it enough? Huh? Is it enough? I did not ask anyone to draw. Listen. Now, is it enough? So then, what else? Huh? To where? After 20 till where? This is 25 to the middle point. And from here, starting not from the 0, previous class interval, middle point. Did the teacher say this one? School
But
work.
if it is not starting from zero,
We have to leave a space. Suppose it is, I'll show
we
you.
have to keep.
Listen now, think what.
Because we have to leave zero के बाद.
Now look here, this is the way. Now if your school teacher says join to zero, zero join. This way now. This one. Previous class interval means before zero means -5 to 0. Middle of that one. After class interval, middle. Understood or not?
But why? But why?
It is called middle points marking now. Okay, class mark points here. Middle point means class mark points. Now, Sachi asked to know how the king is there. Sachi,
Yes.
Vishwan, you know what is the king? Join. Okay, your class interval is, let's say, starting from 29.5. So you have to start this as 19.5, 29.5, 39.5. Are you following?
Yes.
49.5. Let's say 59.5. Okay, that's it. Here your histogram will be okay. 69.5. It's a little. Then mark one more. Join the middles. Middle, 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 middle. Take the scale. Join, join, join. Happy. Okay, King also followed. Everyone. Archit followed. Ranveer followed. What you not followed?
What
This one. This one. This is called what is written over here?
big ones.
What is it? Polygon. This is called what? Rectangles. What is this rectangle? Huh? You think about bar only. There's no bar over here. This is called histogram. Not kilogram, histogram. Understood? Bar means what? Bar graph means what? It is not joined, separate. You don't have bar graph. Understood? Oh, Baba. Ranveer, follow. Nice haircut. Okay.
How can we make it without using
How to make the
frequency particles without using?
that I'm going to explain. This way you follow. First, you know what Sachi what is called?
It's easy. Because that is.
You just
mark the point
and then this going inside like
what you see. It's like this.
This connects till where? 25.
20.
What till 6 now? 1, 2, 3 where?
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. 0 to 5, what is the frequency? 5. Manya is listening. So 5 means class mark 2.5 and correspondingly 5 mark. Are you followed? Class mark on the point side. Like the middle, same midpoint. 5 to 10, class mark middle. What is the frequency? 6. Are you following? Then 10 to 15, what is the frequency? 3. Then 15 to 20.
2.
Then 25. 1 year followed. -1. Now join. Moments. Take. Who's it? Yours. Okay now. Homework. Remember, if not doing, If not doing, the 100. How much homework you have? 50. If not done, what is it? We have it.
40.
Next question. Okay, then fine, right. Otherwise, I will go. I mean, I will the outfit. You read the chapter when we are going to start following. When I will go into the next class, graph and the instrument box. Next class, graph and geometrical box.
I don't want to. Anyways, so exactly.